A picnic party essay in English. A picnic party is an occasion when people pack a meal and take it to eat outdoors, especially in the countryside. Outdoor activities of refreshment have a great significance in life. The students, as a major class of society, often go on a picnic. Colleges arrange such occasions to refresh the tired minds of the students. Such activities boost our spirit and increase our working power without making us dull. Our college authorities arranged a picnic party as usual during summer vacation. There are so many picnic spots in and around Lahore. But this time, village Saidpur was chosen as the destination because of its beautiful landscape. The head organizer got the meal consisting of sandwiches, salad, and rice prepared from a company. This was a delicious treat and it saved us from the trouble of arranging everything individually. All the students gathered early in the morning in the ground of college and at a fixed time. We boarded the buses and set off. All the students were enthusiastic. Everyone was in a happy mood. There was a lot of talk during our journey. Soon we reached our destination. It was a beautiful place laden with fragrant flowers all around. On the right side, there was a charming vista. On the left, a canal was flowing silently to the north. In the fresh morning breeze, the birds were singing their songs happily. Their notes were making the whole place a fairyland, away from the humdrum life of city. We spread a large carpet there and put our paraphernalia on it. Then all were scattered as they wished in different small groups. Everyone was enjoying some kind of activity. Some were singing and others were running after one another. At midday, we assembled for the lunch. It was the time everyone was feeling hungry. We started eating and shared our meals with one another. Then we started a competition of music. I was astonished to find a good many singers in our company. Some presented good parodies of great singers. After this, there was an offer of open presentation of any sort. Every student took part in it and presented some kind of entertaining attempt to amuse others. Some presented very pithy jokes and tidbits. After this, we took some rest and then dispersed here and there to take photographs of this scenic place. Then we gathered our luggage and made arrangements to depart for home. This was really an occasion of great joy which became the part of our happy memories forever. Study and productive work is no doubt a core issue of human life, but excursions and outdoor entertaining activities refresh our soul for a greater performance. These activities not only provide us enjoyment but also give us an opportunity to learn from nature and the state of affairs. We should arrange such activities regularly in every field to boost the charm of life in the busy routine of workers and learners. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.